Hi everybody and welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are going to be looking at this 10,000 RPM interchangeable styler high-speed brushless motor. So let's open it up and let's see exactly what's inside. Alright, you have the different instructions here, which is really nice because it has the photographs so you can have a visual on all you can do with the different hairstyles. This one is super duper nice because it has its own carrying case. Take a look at this. So let's open it up and let's see what all comes with this styling kit. We have the various different brushes. The Volumizer. We have the different wands that look like this. And then we have the different attachments. It comes with a pair of gloves and a hair clip as well. Then this is the main unit. It's in a beautiful frosty pink that looks like this. We're going to go ahead and turn the unit on and I'm going to show you how it works. Ooh, it's a lot of air that comes out. You can have it on the hot and you can also have it on the cold. You can have it locked into position. Now what you're going to do is you can add the different attachments. So you can add the brush. It just clicks right into place like this and you can use it for the brush. And then of course you can turn it on. And that's what it looks like with it on. So you can style it as you dry your hair. And that is the styling brush. It comes with all these attachments in a beautiful travel case. Absolutely love it.